What's up, guys? Today we're going to be making a recipe that I made myself called a chocolate milk frosty. So the ingredients that you'll be needing is milk, raw whole milk, maple syrup, vanilla protein powder, and cacao powder. So first we're going to get 8 ounces of raw whole milk. Okay. Pour it into what you're going to be into your. Next, you'll need, if you're using this protein powder that I'm using, it will come with a scoop, and you will be using half of a scoop, and I recommend using this protein powder. It tastes amazing, and also it's very protein packed. Next, we're going to need 1 tablespoon of cacao powder. Let me get that tablespoon. There we go. Then we will need 1 whole tablespoon of cacao powder. Make sure it's precise. Too less cacao powder, it'll just taste like milk. Too much, it'll be very powdery. We'll save that tablespoon because we'll need it in just a second. Now, maple syrup. We're going to be needing 2.5 tablespoons of maple syrup. So, and a half. And you could just eyeball the 1.5 in tablespoon. So, I'm gonna set this down over here. Now, all we gotta do is blend it. I'm using the Beast blender. So, let's blend it. All right, and give it a good shake after. This is for 1 serving. Duplicate the recipe as needed, depending on how many people you're gonna make it for. Stir often. Now, enjoy. Ice if you need.